Honorable Minister, for bringing the bill on the eve of Women's Day. It is a really great day. Women, the very word is the finest word. It is coined by, I don't know who coined it, but it is a greatest name. Women, mother, ma. It is a great name. Anyway, because women is the embodiment of sympathy, compassion, love, responsibility, everything. But I feel that there should be not one day here, Maneka Gandhi ji also present. Hello. So, I think there should not be only one day for women. Entire 365 days should be earmarked for women. But every day we pray women, is it not? When all the Hindus, when I go their own mandir, or जो भी हो, वो गाते हैं कि भगवान दुर्गा है, जा देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तेश्वर 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 नमो नमः सर्व मंगल मंगल्य शिवे सर्वत्र साधिके शरण्य त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्ते. हजार बार हम लोग we pray goddess to give us all the things, everything. But when giving to women, earthly women, we are very conscious. We do not like to give it. We feel that it is the man's world. Anyway, women constitute, we know that 48% of the total population. And close to the half of it, all the women, they eligible to become mother. So there is a statistic I want to say, which is not at all happy. Almost half of the women aged 20 to 24 are married by the age of 18 years as minor in our country. 1 in every 5 women aged 20 to 24 had her first baby before she was 18 years of age. And 1 into 8 young women had 3 children. As a result, both maternal and neonatal within 28 days of birth, mortality are higher among the women compared to older women. Here, few of our MPs, they referred to these things. That unless we care for the health of the women, we can do nothing. All the bills will be meaningless. This is a very good bill. It has enhanced the facility for the mothers, for the women. But even then, if we do not care for proper awareness, proper education, I think we cannot achieve good result. That is the major problem. We have got gender discrimination. It is all pervasive. It is a clear indicator for the girls' and women's health. So, of course, it is not nice to say, even then I want to assert here, there are certain villages in certain of our states where mortality of the girl child is so high that few villages has got no girls at all. I can give Maneka Gandhi name privately, but it is, I do not like to mention the name of the villages. It is nearing states. It is very unfortunate. So, these things are still there in the 21st century also. So, it is not denying the fact that there are steep decline in the maternal mortality. No doubt, but even then, if you count the world percentage, it is still 15% women mortality, maternity mortality is still there. Still there, it is because if we look at some area in my constituency, it is Guwahati, there are few riverain areas. In the riverain areas, most of the so-called Bangladeshis are there. You will be surprised to know the girl that mother has to give birth each and every year, every 1.5 years also, until she cannot bear child. It is, I do not say that it is political, I do not say that it is something, some design in their sleeve, it is not. But it is fact. In also tea garden also, is it not? So, that's why in those areas the mortality is very high. Because the emaciating mother has to give birth to the children. It is, of course, it is a man's world, I cannot say anything against men. But even then, we must see that some awareness should be there. And so far, in the unorganized sector, many lady members mentioned here it, in the unorganized sectors, the ladies give birth in the small tents. If you see those who work in the field, those who work in the roads, Those who work in the railway lines, you will see that some small tents are there. And these ladies, they give birth to the children. And healthcare is far away from them. They cannot have anything. So I think we should take care of these things also. So, and one organized sector I want to mention here, this is coffee. In the coffee plantation, it is controlled by the contractors, owners, not by the government. Coffee board cannot control each and everything. The laborers are, they hired laborers, so they work for 8 to 10 months, 8 to 9 months, and before they complete the 9 months, or they are driven away. Because if they completed 11 months, the owner must give them the benefit of facility of insurance, facility of health, facility of education. So they drive them away. These things happen also in organized sector too. So unless we take care of everything, we cannot get anything. That is the major point. So I say here that we must take care. Giving relief to the mother, it is a great thing. But we must see, we must give a check that each and every year a girl, a mother should not give birth unless she is ready for it. That is the major point. You will see that emancipating mother in the poor area, poverty-stricken area, she is giving birth and dies subsequently, both the newborn child and the mother also. So I feel that, I request Honorable Minister also, that there should be proper awareness training, proper camping everywhere. Teams should go there, teams should see that, how they are behaving. So I congratulate Government of India, Honorable Narendra Modi ji, because the healthcare facility has been given lots of scope, lots of opportunity, and budget. I think increased government spending on the health progress by 3% GDP is a great thing. I think this will enhance the healthcare in the country, and it will help also the women in the country and mothers in the country. So thank you very much.